Hi, this is Koe from Knowledge Architecture. Today, I'm pleased to share Fuscoe's Office resource pages on their intranet ARC. Here we are on the Office Resources landing page under the HR and Office community. This full-width page includes a smart nav block for the regional Office pages and templates library, which appear automatically in the block because they are nested just below this page in the content outliner. The block, in grid layout, shows the title of the page and these fun custom icons created by the Fuscoe marketing team. Below the Smart Nav block, the regional leaders for each location are displayed in a basic employee block. The helpful text here tells us that we can choose an office to view seating and org charts, regional documents, and more. So let's go to Irvine. At the top of this page is a basic document block with large thumbnails, which is pulling from the HR and Office Documents library. There's a color-coded floor plan and Irvine's team org charts. Because Irvine is the corporate headquarters, this page includes the corporate contacts in a basic employee block with large headshots. Below that is another basic employee block showing the regional contacts with medium headshots. At the bottom, we have a basic document block showing all Irvine-specific templates and resources, which is pulling from both the HR and Office Forms and Templates library and the Marketing Templates and Collateral library. Up here is a map of the office location using Google Maps embed code in an embed block, with the address and phone number spelled out underneath. And then 3 collapsible sections for further office information. Directions for visitors, a bulleted list of food and shopping suggestions, and the Wi-Fi logins, which I will not share here. Each office location follows basically the same format, minus the corporate contacts employee block. If you navigate to the Forms and Templates document library, you can see that the items are grouped by office in the grid layout and limited to 5 items per group. Fuscoe's Office resource pages provide just the right amount of information to orient local employees and visitors alike. From finding the office to finding your coworker's desk. Thank you to Fuscoe for allowing us to share their Office resource pages. Please reach out if you have any questions, and happy building!